How to log into your Spark credit card account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Spark credit card account online. So first, just head over to any web browser and just click on the first link after searching on for the Spark credit card account login. So once you search in for that, you should be redirected to this page. You can also select or choose between the different card types as it provides a business card as well. So you can just tap on the sign in button at the top right of your navigation bar from the website. You can also actually use the mobile version, and from over here you basically need to provide your registered username as well as your password. So make sure all of the details that you provide are correct, and you can always verify that by simply double checking it and simply click on sign in button over here to successfully sign in or log into your Spark credit card account online. And if you ever forget your username or password or having trouble with the login step, you can always contact the customer support of the Spark credit card account, or you can also go over to this option over here to directly solve it yourself by simply following the on-screen instructions to successfully reset your password as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.